Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's cook quiche with spinach and cheese. Ingredients for the quiche with spinach and cheese. We have cheese, ground nutmeg, salt and pepper, fresh spinach, shredded cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, the cheese that you prefer. Heavy cream, and the crushed pie. For a start, we use the kitchen roller and take the crushed pie over here. And it's ready. In the molding for the oven, we use aerosol pan and spread for every surface. In the molding, we put all the pie crushed and it's ready for the continue the preparation. We add salt, pepper, and nutmeg. 1 spoon of nutmeg. It's ready. We add the cheese. Add the cheese, this. Add 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix again, everything. And it's ready for the oven. Put in the oven 350 for 20 minutes. We put in the molding for the oven, all preparation, and it's ready for the oven. This is the final result from the quiche with the spinach and cheese. It's the beautiful plate you can use for lunch, brunch, appetizers, breakfast. Always is very nice to use this plate for any occasions. I hope that you like, enjoy, share. Your comments are always very important for us. And we make any kind of event with any kind of food that you choose for your party or your events. Thank you so much.